Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to start a new topic of chapter 4 business services. In this video we are going to cover the banking services, in which we will see about banking services and different types of bank accounts. So let's start our topic. Today we can see cutthroat competition in the market where only the good performance will survive. So companies are doing only what they can do best. For this, they are depending on business services. Business enterprises are looking towards bank for the availability of funds, looking towards insurance company for getting their assets like plant, machinery and goods get insured, looking towards transportation companies for transporting their raw material and finished goods. They are looking towards telecom and postal services for being in touch with the vendor, supplier and customers. And in the case of India, the globalization has changed the service sector in India. So we can say business services are those services which are used by the business enterprises to carry out business activity smoothly, which includes banking, insurance, postal and telecom, warehousing and transportation. Today we will see about banking services. We all have seen the bank, and some of you may have visited the bank, or many of you may have a bank account in bank. If you have a bank account in bank, please tell me at last in comment section in which bank you have a bank account. In the case of bank, the first question comes in our mind is what is bank or what is banking services. According to Indian Banking Regulation Act 1949, banking means accepting deposits of money from the public for the purpose of lending or investment. In simple words, banks are buyers and sellers of money. Here, bank earns a margin of profit by accepting money at a lower rate of interest and lending money at a higher rate of interest. So this difference in interest rate is a profit margin of bank. Well, in 21st century, bank does not only accept deposit and lending money only. They are also providing other services like bill payment, locker facility, underwriting services, personal services like paying insurance premium, collection of dividend, etc. Now let's see different types of bank account. Like first is a savings account, then current account, then recurring deposit account, then fixed deposit account, and last one is multiple option deposit account. Let's see first what is savings account. Savings account is open to deposit savings of money in the bank. It can be opened by depositing small amount of money, and afterwards we can deposit our savings in it, and we can withdraw it whenever needed. Very few transactions are seen in this type of account. Bank will give you passbook, checkbook, ATM card or debit card, and all the transactions are recorded in the passbook, and the rate of interest on savings account is lower in comparison to fixed deposit account. My advice is that if you people don't have a bank account, so please open a savings account in. At last, you people tell me in comment section in which bank you will like to open your savings account. Next is current account. It is opened by businessmen. The account holder can deposit and withdraw money whenever desired, but here withdrawals are always made by check. Overdraft and credit facilities are also available in this type of account. Here no interest is paid on current account. In savings account, some low interest is paid, but in current account no interest is paid by bank to account holder. But bank is charging some charge for rendering services. Weekly or monthly statements are sent to account holders showing all the transactions made during the period. In this type of account, lots of transactions are done on daily basis. Next is recurring deposit account. This is a special type of account in which a fixed amount is deposited in account every month for a fixed period, like depositing 3,000 per month for the period of 5 years. Means you have to deposit rupees 3,000 per month for 5 years. After completing 5 years, you will get the amount with interest. The rate of interest is higher in recurring account in comparison to savings account. Next one is fixed deposit account. It means this deposit is deposited for fixed period of time in bank, like 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 5 years. Just due to longer period of deposit, higher interest is paid to depositor. The banks are issuing receipt to the depositor acknowledging the receipt, called fixed deposit receipt. The interest rate on fixed deposit is highest in comparison to savings and recurring accounts. Now last one is multiple option deposit account. This account is a combination of a savings account and fixed deposit account, in which a specific option is provided to account holder. It is a type of savings account in which the deposit in excess of a particular limit, it will be get automatically transferred to fixed deposit account, and if you withdraw money and balance decreased than particular limit, then automatically transferred to savings account. This is called auto sweep facility. The account holder gets benefits from this account. Two benefits are there. First, he or she can earn more interest, and second is there is a lower risk of dishonoring a check. It is also called multiple option deposit scheme. Let's understand it with one example. Suppose you opened a multiple option deposit account in SBI with rupees 20,000, and bank told you that if your balance is more than 25,000, excess amount will be transferred to fixed deposit account. They are paying 7% of interest rate on fixed deposit and 3% of interest on savings account. Suppose you have deposited more 30,000 in your account. Now your balance is increased to 50,000. So here rupees 25,000 will be available for you, and 25,000 will be converted into fixed deposit automatically. So here you will start earning higher rate of interest on this fixed deposit account. Suppose you withdraw rupees 35,000 for your requirements, but balance is only 25,000 in your account. In this case, additional 10,000 will be automatically reversed from the fixed deposit, and you can withdraw rupees 35,000. So now the balance in your account is only 15,000. So there is no fixed deposit in your account. I hope you understand it.